Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al-Azim. This special name tells us about how truly great and magnificent Allah is. Let's discover together what makes this name so wonderful. Al-Azim means the greatest and the magnificent. This tells us that Allah is greater than everything else in existence. No person, no creature, and nothing in this entire universe can compare to Allah's greatness. Allah is the greatest in every way. When we look up at the night sky, we can see just how great Allah truly is. He created this enormous universe filled with countless twinkling stars and beautiful swirling galaxies. Each star is like a giant ball of light, and there are billions of them. Allah made all of this with His amazing power, showing us why He is Al-Azim. Allah's magnificence can also be seen in the mighty mountains that stand so tall and strong. He created massive mountain ranges that reach up into the clouds. And look at the deep, vast oceans that stretch as far as our eyes can see. The powerful waves and deep blue waters remind us of Allah's incredible greatness. As Al-Azim, Allah shows us His magnificent power through all the different creatures He created. Look at the beautiful birds with their colorful feathers soaring through the sky. Think about all the amazing animals, each one unique and special. And don't forget the wonderful plants and flowers painting our world with their lovely colors and shapes. We can see Allah's greatness everywhere in our daily lives. Just look up at the beautiful sky that Allah created as a roof above us. Feel the strong ground beneath our feet that Allah made for us to walk on. Every breath we take is possible because of the air Allah provides. The warm sunlight and the refreshing rain are all signs of Allah's greatness. There are many simple ways we can remember Allah as Al-Azim. When we pray, we can say Subhanallah Al-Azim, which means glory be to Allah the greatest. Take time to look at all the amazing things Allah created around us. Remember that Allah is the greatest and be humble and thankful for all His blessings. Now we know that Al-Azim means Allah is the greatest and the most magnificent. Whenever you see something amazing in the world, like a beautiful sunset, a mighty mountain, or a tiny flower, remember that Allah is Al-Azim, the one who created everything with His magnificent power.